guys, you need to give a little space to Mr. Ranveer.
तुम्ही बसा तर करा थोडं पुढं येऊन जाता इकडून आहे ना जागा
Cause first of all, congratulations to all of you who are here, to all of us. We're part of something spectacular, something really, really special. So big round of applause for everyone who's here. Zordar Talia. Hi man, how's it going? All right. All right. First of all, look at the men in uniform right next to me who have actually made this possible. Thank you so much, sir. Mr. Gaikwad, Zordar Talia unke liye. You know, bikers always need this kind of support because we in our community know what kind of good stuff that we do, right? And when it's recognized by the cops, by the government, by the people, it's amazing because we do this regardless, right? Today we are doing it thanks to sir here, and we're part of something very important. As bikers, as people who ride every day, we take our safety to the road, and this is what we're doing today. We're setting an example as bikers to the rest of the country that you follow the road safety rules, because the amount of accidents that happen in India every day and over a year are ridiculous. And we take this responsibility as the biker community of this country to show everybody how to do it. Right or wrong? I see a lot of people who are still coming in, and I like the way all the, you know, as a biker group or a gang, which is actually just a bunch of bikers together. It's not a real gang. 20 bikes, 50 bikes. So when it comes to a big rally like this, I see that everybody in their own little group is already coordinated and disciplined. That's exactly what we're going to show these guys here, because if we do it properly today, this is going to happen every year, maybe 5 times a year, but we have to do it correctly. Once we start leading out of here, we're going to have a few bikes that are going to be in the front with the pilot, and then we're going to just show them the discipline that the bikers have. Obviously no rules. That's how we roll. Everybody's got their helmets? Can I see them up in the air? Whoa! That is a sea of helmets. You make me so proud. I'm so proud of being a biker in this country. Thank you so much. Also, we have something very, very important that's happening today. All of us are part of a Guinness Book World Record. All right, who has seen Marcos? He's just come here about half an hour ago. Marco pronto. Okay, I'm going to say Marco. You guys are going to say? See this. You didn't know India was so clued in. 1, 2, 3. Marco! So he's here in flesh and blood. I can touch him, which I shouldn't. I haven't taken permission, but it's okay. And he's going to be recording the number of people who are going to do this. Dino More is here.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
There he is. I know Dino for a very long time, and he rides a lot of bikes. That's one thing that he always does. He wears a lid.
Good morning. Good morning. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
I like this. All set to ride?
Yes.
So we have 8,000 riders, right? 8,000. Are they all here? Yes. Everyone's got a helmet? Yes. Everyone's got a girlfriend? Yes. Oh, okay. Put your helmets up. Excellent, excellent. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, ride safe. Others, say hi to me. Say hi to Ranvijay. Hi. Namaskar. Have a good ride. Be safe. It's good to be here. Wow. I'll take a big selfie.
We'll take a selfie, but before that, I just want Mr. Gaikwad, Ravi sir, a few words from you. Why did you start this? Why do you think about it? And how do you feel today when we're about to make a record? And we're doing this for supporting all the bikers. Over to you.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. My heart is filled up with joy to see all of you over here. And this really integrates our nation, shows the integrity of our nation. We respect all bikers and we all respect and love you. And I want all of you all to ride safely and preserve the image of the bikers, go in lanes, ride properly. I won't say much because we really need to flag off this. All of you can disperse and go in queues. Don't make a chaos, and go systematically and ensure that the discipline is maintained. Thank you very much.
Hello. Riding, no honking, maintain the discipline, and be sure everyone is wearing a helmet. So guys, ready? Yeah! To create a new history? Yeah! So cheers for
India!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Cheers for traffic police! Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Cheers for Jawan sir! Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Moria!
And last, cheers for all the bikers who are here and who are representing road safety. Hip hip! Go to your bikes, get ready, and let's go. Let's disperse. Okay. Wear your helmets, wear your gloves, wear your gear, get ready for.
Guys, helmet without strapping is as good as not wearing a helmet.
पीछे से ही आना हाँ इसे पीछे आ गया इसलिए अरे उधर में फंस गया इसमें खुद आ गया पीछे में खुद पीछे आ गया
Thank the RTO Borivali and strap them down. Lock it. Two super bikes out here. We need to hear some more.
मैम वो मैम
Safety.
सेल्फी तो पीछा नहीं छोड़ रहा है सेल्फी
Line up, please. Line up. Please line up. Okay, chalo. Leave.
झाला घांडे चबी निघालास यायचं बरं थांब जरा
काय झवाडे आलास ना मात्र
बस आई घेऊन टाक रे
गाण मारेल
तुझी ना
Only 2 by 2. Please maintain the order. The RTO Borivali organized this, and the principal partner Mahendra Rai. Thank you, Mr. Anand Mahendra.
अरे वो रेस में है रे यार, शूट के टाइम मत फोन करो। टाइम है तो शूट होते हैं।
Kindly don't rush. Each one will get a turn at the exit. So don't push your way through. Hold on. I repeat, kindly move in twos, left and right of the gentleman in blue sunglasses. Please. Not wearing one. Do not rush, you all are all going to get a turn.